Okay, today I'm going to try out a new tool that I had received actually for Christmas, but it is not a Cricut product. So what I'm doing is I'm watching a video on my iPad to see how to do this. So just give me 1 second. I'm going to just continue. Okay. So what it told me so far was to create a project. Now they say that you can use this on your Maker. I'm not sure how you can because the engraving tool is an adaptive tool from the adaptive tool system. But we're going to check this out to see how well it works. Okay, I'm going to, let's see, let's do some text and let's make Maya a little tag. All right, let's go to Felix. Okay, there's her little tag. There's the tag. What I want to do is I want to. Oh, wait a minute. Let me see. I have to make it within the 1 inch. Border because this tag is 1 inch around the little tag it came with. So let's see if I can curve this, if it'll look okay. And I can't really. Let me zoom in. Let's go out a little further. And oh no, let's try it. Okay, so that's as far as I got in the video. So let me continue playing.
This is the point where you are going to match it on exactly where your circle piece is on your page, on your mat. Now at this point, we're gonna
Okay, she's layering these three.
And so now if you have an iPhone
I
iPad,
don't know why she's doing it this way, so I'm going to change it. So we're going to here and we're going to duplicate 3 times. She lined them up on the mat. Like she went to make it and lined them up. Let's line them up this way. Okay, right? Then we're going to attach them so they stay where we want them to be. Okay, right? Let's go to make it. Now let's move our image down to where I'm going to place my thing on the mat and go to continue. Next, I'm going to choose my material, and since we're not really using the engraving tool, I'm just going to hit cardstock. Okay, so this is the little, one of the little sample metal pieces it gave me. It's supposed to have a hole in it, but as you can see, there is no hole. So it tells you to take your mat. Let's just grab this double-sided tape. I purchased this at Dollar Tree. It works perfectly fine for me. I'm just going to lay this in my square. Peel that up. Whoop. I'm going to place that right in the center of my square. And okay, so there's the tip that I chose. I'm hoping it's the right one. I have no idea. And I'm just going to drop it in Okay, so here is my tag. The alignment is off a little bit. I did ink it so you can see the lettering a little bit better. I think with playing with different fonts, different styles of fonts will make this tool amazing. I'm not sure if it engraves as well as the Cricut because I do not have one to compare, but from what I've seen others, I believe it is pretty similar.